Introducing the HP 17BY1053DX 17.3 laptop. Core i5-8265U 8GB memory, 256GB solid-state drive. Windows 10 Home in S mode. Jet black, Maglia pattern. This laptop is packed with powerful features that make it perfect for tackling assignments and streaming HD content. Featuring an 8th Gen Intel Core i5-8265U mobile processor, this laptop delivers maximum high-efficiency power for fast and smooth performance. The quad-core, 8-way processing ensures that you can run multiple programs simultaneously without any lag. And with Intel Turbo Boost technology, you'll have extra power whenever you need it. The 17.3 inches HD display with BrightView glossy screen brings your photos and videos to life with vivid colors. The 1600 by 900 resolution provides high-quality images and fine detail. Plus, the WLED backlight enhances your viewing experience. You'll also enjoy the Intel UHD Graphics 620 for stunning visuals. With 8GB system memory, multitasking becomes a breeze. And the 256GB PCIe solid-state drive offers ample storage space while improving startup and loading times. You can easily connect your laptop to an external display or TV via the HDMI output. And with the built-in media reader, transferring files from your camera or phone is a snap. Stay connected with the wireless and wired network connectivity options. This laptop operates on the 64-bit Windows 10 Home operating system, providing a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of applications and features. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Get the HP 17.3-inch laptop now and experience the power and convenience it offers.